Hey, welcome back to Gear Choice channel. Introducing the ultimate in electric scooter technology, the DUNCHI 701 Pro. With its cutting-edge design and unbeatable performance, this two-seater scooter is revolutionizing the way you ride. Featuring a powerful 3000W lithium battery, the DUNCHI 701 Pro delivers maximum speed of up to 80 km/h, allowing you to zip through the city streets with ease. And with a range of 60-80 kilometers per charge, you'll have the freedom to explore your surroundings without worrying about running out of battery. But that's not all. The DUNCHI 701 Pro is packed with smart features, including electronic controls and front and rear oil pressure disc brakes for maximum safety. Don't miss out on the ride of a lifetime. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And be sure to check the link in the description to buy your own DUNCHI 701 Pro today.